So ito review tayo guys. Honda BRB RS black top. Ayan. LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. Tapos meron na rin siyang LED fog lights. Ayan. Tapos 15-inch RS design alloy wheels. Ayan. Tapos power adjustable and power folding crystal black door mirrors with integrated side turn signals. Ayan. Sa front grille naman, RS design piano black front grille. Ayan. RS design piano black. Tapos black roof. Ayan. RS design side seal. RS design rear bumper garnish. Rear parking sensor. Tailgate spoiler with LED high mount stop lamp. Dito naman tayo sa interior. Ayan. Red interior trims. Ayan. Red interior trims. Steering wheel, audio controls with illumination. Air conditioning with digital display. 7-inch capacitive touchscreen audio. Tweeter speaker, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Keyless entry. Gear shifter illumination. Tilt adjustable steering wheel. Up and down power window for driver. Yan. Spacious cabin. New seat pattern with red accent. Yan. Yung mga upuan niya guys, yan. May mga red pattern siya. Driver and front passenger seat back pockets. Ayan o. May pocket siya. Door pockets. Cup holders. Ayan. Meron ding cup holders dun sa harap. Engine 1.2 inline 4-cylinder single overhead cam IB-Tech engine. Meron din siyang alarm and immobilizer. Tapos eco lamp. Fuel capacity 35 liters.